Here we have the Range Rover SVR Carbon Edition in Fuji White. You have a carbon fibre bonnet, 5 litre V8 engine, privacy glass and a black contrasting roof, 22-inch alloys with a gloss black finish and red brake calipers, the SVR badging on the back, and a powered tailgate. Plenty of space there for all your personal items. This car has a 575 brake horsepower and goes 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. You have the SVR illuminated tread plates and a lovely ebony and cirrus two-tone interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you want to keep refreshments cold. A 10-inch display screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting and several different colours to choose from. You also have a sat-nav. You can connect your phone, making it easy to make calls whilst you're driving. You also have a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which is handy when driving along motorways. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated front seats, which is a luxury in the winter. The front seats are also memory, which is handy for several people driving the car, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car is brand new and therefore has only done 15 miles. You also have head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. You also have an interactive driver display and can change the layout depending on your own preference. Stepping back outside the car, that was the Range Rover SVR Carbon Edition. If you're interested in this stunning car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.